This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Saturn S series. This happens to be a 1998 model. And what we're doing today is we are replacing the rear trailing arms. First thing we got to do is we got to get the vehicle up in the air and remove the tire. Here is the rear trailing arm right here. Secures to the body in this position with 2 bolts. And back here we have this nut that secures it to the rear knuckle. Now that nut does not look in very good condition, being in the salt belt. So we're going to wire brush it first and see how it looks. See if we can get it off. If not, we might have to put some heat on it. Socket doesn't want to go on the nut because of the rust, so we got a little dressing up to do. Just about there. Don't want to take too much off. There we go. That's good. I still think we're going to have to put a little heat on there to get that nut off. Let's see if we can crack that rust. I don't know. Let's see. All right, we'll put some heat on it. We got it. Just took a little heat. Now these forward bolts right here are 18mm headed bolts. That should be cooled down. It's been on there a while. Yes, it has. Come on. There we go. Just a little persuasion. No, it's been on there a while. Doesn't want to leave. Everything should be disconnected, and there it is. There's that trailing arm. Boy. Holy moly. Jeez. It's been in there since 1998. Alright, let's go get the new one. Here's our new arm. This is a Moog part. Now, we'll go over to the front. and start those. Alright, that's locked in there. We're going to put some Loctite on this one right here. And we could put Loctite on the other one, but I'm going to put it on this one. Oop, okay, there we go. Now, this nut right here, this one right here is, your torque on that is trailing arm to knuckle nut is 74 foot-pounds. Now the trailing arm to the body bolts are 89 foot-pounds. Alright, that's 74. Now we're going to go to the front. Okay, that's 89 foot-pounds right there. Ow, ow. Don't put your fingers in the wheels of your creeper. Ow. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here's our new trailing arm, all in. Look at that. Beautiful. Newest thing on the whole car. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the other side and change that one too. Why not? Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.